I'm Corporal Mason James Payne. I'm with 7th Engineer Brigade, HHC. So my job as a 91 Bravo wheel vehicle mechanic, I'm improving the readiness of all of the vehicles that we have brought here, fixing any faults that have come down, any other issues with any other maintenance equipment such as generators, drashes, heaters, anything that the units need to make it more comfortable as well as complete our mission. Saber Guardian is a joint nation training where U.S. forces, Romanian forces, and Italian forces are conducting a wet gap crossing across a river to simulate as if we had to do that, building bridges, employing other countermeasures to oppose enemy forces, as well as solidify where we are at the dock. This helps us with readiness because we get to work with our allied nations, we get to understand their tactics, see how they operate versus how we operate, how we can bring those two together and make a more lethal machine to whatever adversaries come our way. Well, in a perfect world, you wouldn't need us, but unfortunately the world we live in isn't perfect, so things do break, and that's our job here to fix it, keep everything rolling, keep everything fully functional, and keep people safe.